Hi everyone, welcome to Fluent with Nicole. Today's lesson is all about Thanksgiving. As always, I'll start by reading a short paragraph, and then we'll go over 10 key vocabulary words together. 因為爸爸媽媽退咗休，所以佢哋去咗旅行。我原本以為會自己一個人過感恩節，但係好好彩，朋友邀請我去佢嘅屋企同佢啲屋企人一齊慶祝。佢哋準備咗好多食物，有火雞、薯蓉、南瓜批同沙律。我都冇空手去，我帶咗紅酒。晚餐開始之前，我哋輪流講自己感恩嘅嘢。呢個時候氣氛特別溫馨。食完飯之後，我嘅朋友建議玩桌遊，好可惜，我唔可以留耐啲，因為我淨係有一日嘅假期，我聽日要返早班。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 退休、原本、好彩、邀請、火雞、薯蓉、輪流、感恩、溫馨、桌遊。Now let's go through the keywords from the short paragraph. First, 退休，退休 It means to retire. 我嘅爸爸年尾退休。My dad will retire at the end of the year. Next, 原本，原本 This is the word for originally. 我原本今日去行山，不過落雨。I originally planned to go hiking today, but it rained. Moving on to 好彩，好彩 which means luckily. 我發生車禍，好彩冇受傷。I was in a car accident, but luckily I wasn't injured. After that, 邀請，邀請 It means to invite. 佢邀請我去佢嘅屋企食飯。She invited me to her house for dinner. Next up, 火雞，火雞 This is the word for turkey. 感恩節必食火雞。Turkey is a must-eat for Thanksgiving. Then we have 薯蓉，薯蓉 This refers to mashed potatoes. 薯蓉係感恩節嘅經典美食。Mashed potatoes are a classic Thanksgiving dish. Moving on to 輪流，輪流 To take turns. 我同家姐輪流洗碗。My sister and I take turn washing the dishes. Next. 感恩。感恩。This word means grateful. 我好感恩身邊有好多關心我嘅朋友。I'm thankful for having so many caring friends around me. After that, 溫馨。溫馨。This is the word for heartwarming. 一家人一齊過感恩節嘅氣氛特別溫馨。The atmosphere of spending Thanksgiving together as a family feels especially warm. Finally, 桌遊。桌遊。This is the term for board game. 我最鍾意嘅桌遊係地產大亨。My favorite board game is Monopoly. Let's quickly review the vocabulary we covered today. Please repeat after me. 退休 to retire. 原本 originally. 好彩 luckily. 邀請 to invite. 火雞 turkey. 薯蓉 to mash potatoes. 輪流 to take turn. 感恩 grateful. 溫馨 heartwarming. 桌遊 board game. Alright, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you have learned today. I'll describe a phrase and you'll try to guess it. Think about it for a moment and I will reveal the answer. First question. 呢個係指一個人以後唔再返工。This refers to a person who will no longer go to work in the future. The answer is 退休 to retire. Second question. 呢個係指最初嘅情況。This refers to the original situation. The answer is 原本 originally. Third question. 呢個係指好事發生。This refers to when something good happens. The answer is 好彩 luckily. Next question. 呢個係指叫人嚟你嘅屋企食飯。This refers to asking someone to come to your home for a meal. The answer is 邀請 to invite. Moving on. 呢個肉類係感恩節最經典嘅食物。This type of meat is the most classic Thanksgiving food. The answer is 火雞 turkey. Up next. 呢個係指將薯仔打成泥漿。This means to smash potatoes into puree. The answer is 薯蓉 mashed potatoes. Here's another one. 呢個係指循環交替。This refers to alternating. The answer is 輪流 to take turn. Let's try this one. 呢個心情係指對人或者事感到感激。This feeling refers to being grateful toward people or things. The answer is 感恩 grateful. Next question. 呢個係指環境好有愛。This refers to an environment that feels full of love. The answer is 溫馨 heartwarming. Final question. 地產大亨係咩類型嘅遊戲？What type of game is Monopoly? The answer is 桌遊 board game. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.